try and get sneaky right up.
Yeah, yeah.
They didn't care about the bugs.
Damn, one of them flew. Yeah, it's a rare one, bro. Sorry for the wavy camera. Oh yeah, he's hammering away. Eh? That's hilarious.
That's what they do. They find like termites and bugs and shit. That tree looks like it's really about to come down though. It's already. Well,
Look at that pecker.
yeah. What did you do today? Oh, I wandered around taking pictures of
Peckers.
Took 3 pictures of 3 peckers today.
Banging on a tree.
Just banging on some wood. 3 peckers smashing other wood.
No, for real though, that's a rare bird, man. From
Yeah.
what I've.
And to see more than even one.
Yeah, in one spot. That's crazy.
That one fucker's big. It's like bigger than a blue jay. I guess someone was telling me blue jays are like terrible birds.
I heard that. I'm
A
not
lot of
sure.
birds are just vicious to other birds.
Other birds. Well, they are. Yeah.
Magpies, I guess, they'll go and fuck up a nest of another bird.
Try to zoom in a little.
Might be able to get like right up on them. Yeah, they move their head so much, just getting the revs are.
Oh, that one on the tree there. Oh yeah, that's a good shot right there, bro. Oh shit. That's the.
Oh yeah, picking stuff off.
Nuts.
This shit just flying off the tree.
And then that one right there.
Get some, get some. I'm always too late to.
Yeah. I saw him by the where we park.
Always dug it right in there.
Sorry for the wavy camera.
Every single time I take a picture, he's turn his head so I can't see him.
Yeah, he's getting right in there.
Yep. Well, if you see from here, half his head disappears in the way.
Oh yeah, that other one was really nailing it.